From the moment we take our first breath, our brains eagerly yearn for knowledge, much like a sponge soaking up water. This insatiable thirst for information transforms each day into an adventure, where curiosity leads the way and wisdom is the reward. Geniuses and visionaries fully grasp this concept, which is why they dedicate themselves to learning throughout their lives, knowing that every bit of knowledge acquired contributes to their growth. Imagine starting your day not by scrolling through social media, but by immersing yourself in the pages of a captivating book. Each word you read unfolds new ideas, sparking your imagination and nurturing your intellect. Alternatively, as the softness of twilight envelops the day, opt for learning a new skill. Whether it's picking up a foreign language or exploring a craft, the act of learning becomes a rich tapestry that weaves together diverse experiences and perspectives. Every new piece of information acts as a puzzle piece, meticulously fitting into the vast puzzle of your mind. This accumulation of knowledge equips you with a powerful tool: intelligence. It's essential to remember that no one enters this world knowing everything. True expertise is derived from diligent effort and the endless pursuit of understanding. Carving just a few moments each day dedicated to learning propels you closer to a brighter future, inviting the essence of knowledge into your life. The importance of daily learning can be distilled into 3 pivotal reasons. First, engaging in this practice enhances cognitive flexibility, enabling your brain to juggle various concepts with ease. You become adept at connecting the dots, fostering a mindset that thrives on complexity. Next, every nugget of knowledge you absorb solidifies synaptic connections. The act of learning forges links between neurons, reinforcing both your memory and retention. Each new lesson strengthens your cognitive framework. Finally, ongoing education enriches your ability to integrate and apply what you've learned. With new information continuously flowing in, you deepen your understanding and sharpen your capacity to utilize that knowledge effectively. Moments arise when timely insight can make all the difference, and regular learning equips you for that very occasion. So, from this day forward, commit to a routine of daily learning. Embrace the journey and let your mind flourish in the pursuit of knowledge.